Poker Scientists. This experiment is called a bubble snake. What you need is a water bottle. You need to cut off the bottom with your parents' approval. Cut off the bottom of the water bottle. And then using a wash rag, attach it with a rubber band, and put some food coloring on the bottom. Next, get some dishwasher soap, put it in a bowl, swish it around in the bowl, and blow. You try this at home. Why do you think it works? Well, when you blow through the bubble snake maker, you're creating hundreds of tiny bubbles. As the air wiggles through the fabric, bubbles are continuously being made. The bubbles attach to each other when they come out of the fabric. It's all thanks to the same hydrogen bonds that make bubbles possible.